Hello friends, welcome again to this channel. Now you can join me on Telegram. To join us on Telegram, please follow the link shown here or click on the link given in the description box. So in this video we will be talking about the best, fastest and the most secure chatting application, and that is Telegram. Yes friends, it's not quite famous, so most of people don't know anything about it. First of all, we will have a short look on WhatsApp versus Telegram. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So number one is dark mode feature. Yes friends, Telegram has its dark mode feature and it works almost all version of Android, but WhatsApp also has this features, but it doesn't work all version of Android, so it may be working on its upper version, but at least in my phone it's not available. Second is group. You can add up to 200,000 users in your Telegram group, but you can add only up to 246 members in your WhatsApp group, so that feature is very cool. And the third feature is secret chat. Yes, you can use secret chat service in Telegram, in which you can chat with a specific person secretly, and if you set the time, it will automatically be deleted from your chatting. But this feature is not available in WhatsApp up to now. And the fourth feature is channel. Yes, you can create channel in Telegram, but you can't create anything like that in WhatsApp, so that is a drawback of WhatsApp. And the next feature is its cloud-based servicing, and that is my saved notes. You can use it like Google Drive, in which you can upload your favorite documents and you can access it from anywhere, anytime. And this feature is not provided in WhatsApp up to now. Now it's time to see how to use Telegram application. So to use Telegram application, first of all, install it. It's available for Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Android and iPhone, so you can use it in mobile phones or computer. So in Android mobile, we need to install this application. So first of all, open your Play Store and search for Telegram. Yes, I have already searched it, so I am clicking on it. So this is the application which is provided by Telegram app ZLLC. So yes, you should install it from this developer, Telegram app ZLLC. Otherwise, many fake applications are available in Android Play Store. So you have to install it from here. So I have already installed it. So I am going to open it. So I am clicking on open. The first interface of Telegram application, and just click on start messaging. It already has taken my mobile number, so I am not registering this number because I have already registered another number, so I am here entering that number. If you are registering first time, it will ask for your name, your mobile number, most such small things, so just give that information. I have entered my number and I am clicking on here this arrow. So it has sent a code, so I have to enter that code. Okay, I am entering that code. Okay. Now let's explore its amazing features one by one. So just click here. Okay, this is my name and this is my profile picture. And if you have to active your dark mode, that here you have to click this moon, this half moon, and I'm clicking here. Oh, my dark mode got activated. And if you want to create a new group, then here click here, new group. Okay, you can select people from your contact list to add in the groups, and just click on this right arrow. but I'm not going to create any group. I'm just only showing you this, and you have to enter your group name, and then you have to click on this tick mark, then your group will be created. So I'm not going to create, so just go back. Okay, and one most important thing is that you can add in the Telegram group up to 200,000 people in your group, but in WhatsApp you can add only up to 246 people. So this is a drawback of WhatsApp, and that's why I love Telegram. But the users of Telegram are very less, so that's not enough for me using Telegram. So let's talk about the next feature. The next feature is new secret chat. Here you can chat with any person secretly, and so I'm going to click on any person's number. Okay, here I can message him secretly. And now its next feature is new channel. Yes, just like YouTube, you can create here a channel. So I have just already created a channel, which I am going to show you. First of all, I am going to show you how to create a channel. Then I will to create a new channel. Just click on new channel. Just right here I am typing anything channel. Just for example, my channel, and you can write here description or anything and click on this tick mark. You can keep it private or public. If you keep it public, it will be available for all people which are on Telegram, and they can find you in their search result. But if you keep it private, then only those person whom you share this link will be able to join this channel. So this is a permanent link. You can type t.me is by default, and you can write here your link. So it must be of at least 5 characters. So yes, it's available. So I am clicking, and I am clicking on this. So and my channel is created. So that's amazing. This is my channel. You can upload your logo. Now let's talk about its next feature, that is saved message. Just click on it. Yes, you can use it like Google Drive, Dropbox, which provides its cloud-based services. So you can upload any documents, any image, any videos, and anything on this platform, and you can access those things from anywhere, anytime, and in the world. So for example, I am uploading anything here. This is the picture. I am going to upload it. Yeah, I have uploaded it, and I will find it anywhere, anytime in my Telegram account. So wherever I access my account in Telegram, I will be able to find it. Now let's click on setting. Yes, this is your account information, and just scroll down. Now phone number option is on my contact, but you can change it to everybody. So because if you change it to everybody, then everyone will be able to see your phone number. But by default it's on my contact, so I leave it as it is. Come back. This is your profile photo, picture, forwarded messages, calls, groups, etc. Explore it yourself. So you can set an additional password for your Telegram. To access your Telegram application, you can set an additional password. So to set an additional password, just click on this just below this security option, click on passcode lock, and just by default it's disabled, so just enable it, and you have to enter a passcode. So I am entering here anything. Then re-enter your password. Yes, my password is activated now, and you can set it auto lock in 1 hour. If there is no activity on Telegram application, it will be locked within an hour. You can change the time, that is 5 minutes, 1 minute, 1 hour, or disabled. So I leave it as it is and click on done. Okay, come back. And here you just click on devices. So here you can see all devices in which you are logged in. So I am logged in currently in one device, so it's showing only one my device. So that's all for this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates from this channel, and suggest me on which topic our next video should be, because this is your channel. So see you in next video. Till then, bye bye.